Hey guys, my name is Mandy Buckingham, and I'm one of the instructional technology specialists with Floyd County Schools. And we're going to take a look today at some of the new updates that are available within Google Meet. The first thing I want to show you are the host controls. When you log into your Google Meet, next to your meeting name, you should see a little icon right here with a little lock. You can click on this to open up your host controls. You'll notice that you have the option for quick access. If you turn this off, then people who are not invited to your meet must ask to join. Okay, that's kind of like the knocking feature that you probably heard of. This is defaulted just to keep this on so that you don't have to do that. But if you need it, it's available. You also have the options to let students share their screen and send chat messages. If you needed to take this off for your students so they did not try to share their screen during a meet or try to chat during the meet, you can simply toggle these off, and that will disable that feature. If you want to look at more information about your host settings, you can click on the gear, and it will give you some more information there where you can click on host controls. You can also find this feature up at the top. You'll notice you have your people button and your chat button. When you click on the people button, you'll see the option for host control show up. And this is where you can easily toggle this on and off. So if you were in the middle of a meet and you were in the chat box and you noticed that you needed to quickly turn off that chat box, you can simply toggle it off right here. Now, the other feature that I want to show you today are the tiles. We have a new feature available where you can see up to 49 different tiles on your screen at once. So to do this, you are going to click on the three dots and you will go to Change Layout. Under Change Layout, you have to have Tiled turned on. If you're on Auto, Spotlight, or Sidebar, this will not work. You have to click on Tiled, and you'll notice that I have a sliding bar right here. I can go down to 6 tiles, or I can go all the way up to 49 tiles if I want to. So you have the option to adjust how many tiles you want to see inside your Google Meet. Those are the two most recent updates available. There may be some more coming out shortly, so we will keep you updated from our department when those are available. Hope you guys have a great day.